Now, unfortunately, today's ride is going to be delayed just a little bit. I had a little bit of a problem. I always pre-flight the bike, check the air pressure and whatever, and I always look around for anything that's loose, and I found something that was terribly loose. In fact, it needed to have a little bit of a fiberglass repair, and while I was at it, I reinforced the other side before it broke. So I'm going to be getting, the bike goes back together relatively quickly, and it's because, and this was my point for this whole thing before we head out on the road, the point is, if you wipe a bike off constantly and check things constantly, you really stack the deck in your favor that, for instance, in the middle of a ride, this seat doesn't go flying off and hit the guy behind you or whatever. Alright, so that seat reinforcement worked out okay. And one of the things maybe some of the new people don't realize is a whole lot of the things that we've done, actually we've done to the FZR more than any other bike, is fixing these little brackets and tabs. We did a whole bunch of it on Vlad's Momoda and on some of his other bikes, the Benelli, where the bodywork was really crushed. On Mark Morgan's bike, we had to make pieces where there were big holes in the bodywork. And of course, the biggest one of all, I think Luciano has kept me in coffee. Maybe not coffee, I don't know. Maybe I need vodka. Anyway, but this bike, I do have some extra body work for it, but this one is, it's, I guess, 4 or 5 years old now. It's still holding up, but you never know. That bracket in the back broke, and, well, the bike's got a lot of miles. I mean, we ride the bike. They're not show bikes. And even though we're going to get a late start, we'll still have plenty of time to get a good ride in today. And the weather is supposed to be real nice. So one more day of really nice weather, so kind of looking forward to it. And what could be more fun every morning than what we call affectionately feeding the fish. They think I'm starving them, if they only knew. And now, actually, for people that might not know this, we originally started with 3 fish, and most of the fish that are here are parents of the parents of the parents, and we did lose a lot of fish one winter, but most of these fish have been born in a pond. All right, it's time to go. It's just that magic time of day. And this morning we're getting the end of the pepper harvest. We have, how many plants we have? 1 pepper plant. 1. And we have been eating peppers. We're turning into vegetarians from 1 pepper plant. That's unbelievable. I wish you could grow motorcycles out of seeds like this. And of course our beloved zinnias. The unending, here it is. It's November, and we're almost November, and we're having zinnias. Peppers and zinnias still coming out of the garden. And in the morning like this, the birds are chirping, and look at the yellow leaves, orange leaves. Wow. The birds love this time of year. And it looks like we might have yet another, not a cloud in the sky day. It seems like we've had a pretty good supply of these in this fall season. Time to go. Hey!
Hi, my buddy.
Don't crush my camera. I was thinking about you the other day. I saw the Blue Angels.
No.
They were on television. I said, she didn't even invite me. So Chris finally, what did you do? She finally admits. Got her on camera. She's still got her R6. Still doing fabulous track days. Burning up this thing. Oh my God. Who'd you ride up with? These guys?
No, by myself.
By yourself? Oh, good girl.
That's right.
Good girl. Man alive, she rode up just to meet me. Can you imagine? How disappointing. So, our plan is Chris and I are going to take a ride up to Luciano's and see if he's home. Oh, here, it's over here at the end. Look, check this out. Check, yeah,
I want one of these.
This is it's a Benelli. Your son, you know what you do? You tell him you're buying it for him and then you ride it.
Whose is this?
I don't know, nobody's looking. Can you get that under your shirt or something? Look, it's a Benelli.
I want to take it down the street.
Sit on it. Sit on it. Come on, take a picture. Come on, that's a cool, is that a cool little bike or what? I think that's a neat little thing. Now, if Miles was a year older, it's a Benelli of all things.
That wasn't here when we got here, right?
Wow. No, it was here. He's selling it upstairs. And the traditional things, but the best bike of all, Chris's R6. Oh, Luciano, we're going to take a ride to your house, but I know you're not home. I hope you're home. Come on, you're a track day specialist. You could put your knee down sitting on the bike here. Holy mackerel. Here we go. You could be somebody famous. You could have a Benelli. Vlad has a Benelli. He's famous.
That's like so cute. It's a girl bike.
It's a Benelli.
You know how you always told me?
This is the side I fixed, right? Is it this side? I don't remember.
We didn't do
when you had the
anything.
track day accident.
We
What was the
didn't
other?
do anything.
This. We fixed these. These were busted. I don't remember. I really don't remember what we did.
It was on the tank.
Oh, that's right.
That was the only thing.
Okay.
And then this got old, but that's not a big deal. I don't care.
Yeah, but over the winter you should just give me this part and I'll fix it. It won't cost you a penny. This comes right off. Yeah, no, when it snows, take a ride to my house, drop the part off, make it like brand. Yeah, right here. That's where you fell on this side.
Yeah.
This is the side you crashed. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, I remember there was some other. I don't remember. The chip in the paint or whatever. But you had an easy way you should do it. Just leave the bike by my house. So we arrive at Luciano's. I guess he's taking a nap. He sounded like I woke him up. Anyway, we want to see. He's got the. Oh, here comes the secret thing. Dun 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 dun. Batman. He comes out of the Bat Cave. Dun 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 dun. Come on, I got to get this moment. Hey, Hey!
Good, how are
Hey!
you?
Pretty good.
Hey!
You look good.
Oh yeah, really
Hey!
Yeah, look at you, skinny.
skinny. I'm working on it.
You look very good.
Yeah.
How you feel?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Luciano, I brought you a nice present today.
Consider all.
Oh, that's a better present than Chris.
You're still young. Stop it.
So the Ducati is all ready to ride, supposedly. He's got it all. This is the bike, of course, the accident bike. Ah, good to see it back in one piece.
This guy, the surgeon, is Italian. He's a freaking.
But what a
Oh,
beautiful day
no,
this turned out to be. A great riding day. Got to see Chris.
What's your back seat? Told me.
Oh, good.
Mirrors, so you can see now.
You got mirrors you can see. Well,
Yeah,
you're like me. That means you're
Yeah.
getting old.
All the body work is brand new,
Okay.
and the tail section's brand new, and
And you had to get a back wheel. What else?
the rim, and I got brand new tires.
Oh,
I just
okay,
put the
good,
brand new
good.
tires on, and I got the clips on. This is one they got horrible design. They
Oh, okay.
They moved it down because of the stupid design.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I got
yeah.
set it just today. I got finished the Porsche.
These are not Ducati mirrors, though.
No, the aftermarket.
Yeah, and you can see out of them.
Yeah, they cost.
Unlike most Ducati mirrors.
$150 for 2 mirrors.
Oh! Oh!
How
I'm
much?
choking.
150.
I paid 10 and I was mad that there was tax.
Especially made for Ducati.
Wow.
They got special bolts there.
This man has a lot of money.
Yeah.
And he's willing to spend it. I don't have any and I'm not even willing to spend his money.
Sometimes you say when the music is playing, you gotta dance.
That's right. You only live once.
It's just money. It's just go downstairs, print some more.
Yeah, I
What's
know.
the big deal?
I got the same machine, only
You
mine
want
prints,
some? I can give you something.
mine prints in black and white. They're all for sale?
The Ninja, this one is for sale.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Are you still driving this one?
Oh yeah, I drove a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
A lot of bikes.
Fun, right?
The rivals a little bit.
A man needs toys to stay
Hard
young.
to get in and out, right?
Oh yeah, it's like
so
it's
low.
like it's like
This is the one I like.
it's like after
This is a jewel of a motorcycle. That is a nice Ninja.
Yeah, that's probably easy.
I've ridden this blue one on track days. That's a great one. No title though. And the triple. The triple's getting buried. We got to have a two-stroke day.
I wrote that one.
You got
once.
two strokes. You got more than me.
I wrote that one once this year.
Oh,
That's the original color on the green one, the Kawasaki painted.
No, it's repented.
That's I like that.
you know what, Chris? When I painted it, the paint dried.
That was that.
Yes. You painted this.
Yeah, see,
Let me see. Oh, you take the paint off. That's never going to dry. Trust me. Take it off with acetone right now.
Why?
The longer you let it dry, the worse it's going to be. That's called flypapering in the world of paint. They'll come right off with acetone. You want me to do a piece for you?
No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
But what-
I don't know.
Well, we're going back to the secret shop. This is where the World War II submarine is. What the hell is back here? Guess what's in here? More motorcycles. This is a nice bike for you, Chris.
The painted wheel.
This is Stevie Wonder paint? This is not
Oh, you
spray.
painted that one?
Yeah, this dry
The
right
same
away.
thing? Oh yeah.
Go
That looks nice.
figure. This is Home Depot paint, the spray can.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding.
So the test
That's
is,
like
if you're going to
every
paint
YouTube
anything
they
like
do that.
this, the trick is always you take anything with a spray can, paint a light bulb first, make sure the paint dries an hour later before you paint a part like this. That's the trick of the century.
Yeah,
Because every once in a while, what's going to happen? The paint does not dry.
10,000.
18.
Whoa, nice. Nice.
18,000?
Sounds nice. This is about like my 650. It's the same power and the same handling. You know what's cool while we're in here is this is vibrating the floor of the,
Yeah.
the floor of the building. Look, you can do a little dun, 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 dun.
We're at the club.
This is his private club, Club Ducati. You sit out here and asphyxiate yourself. And the floor is going up and down to the beat of the piston.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, they got pads
So
in
you
them.
put
Back
these-
here too.
So you
Yeah.
really think that's going to make
Yeah.
a difference?
Of course, it's better. You got a lot more cushions than your bone.
Yeah, for maybe when you're riding, cushion.
I got the same thing. Mine are black,
prevent more damage to your body. It's better to have this than
Yeah.
neither of.
It's better to have
Well,
anything.
that has this.
Always fun visiting Luciano and his endless collection of, look at these leaves, wow. Your backyard looks beautiful, no doubt about it.
Beautiful.
You
You
should,
pine needle.
you should save these. You know what we could do? We could make hair out of this. You could make, you know that guy, that pillow guy? You know that pillow guy?
With the scarecrow.
This would make,
Put it all in. Put it here.
this would make a great thing. This could be the My Pillow guy. You don't know what's in my Pillow? There it is. My Pillow. But this was a really super day. We got a nice ride. Met up with Chris up at Perry's. Haven't seen her in a long time. Rode over to Luciano's, so he's doing great. Actually, he was going to a Halloween party when we were there. I'm not sure he had his costume on. Anyway, he's got the Ducati back in one piece. And after some minor medical stuff next week, we'll probably see him back on the road. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching.